Okay, here is the cube. White, green, yellow, blue, red, pink. So yellow, the top, white, bottom. Now we want white, white, white and white. Here, here, here and here. So we look at the bottom. White here. So we go up to the top. Now we look at the bottom. No white. So we look at the side. No white, no white, white. So we go white to the top. Now we have two. Now we look again at the side. No white. We look at the bottom. One here. So we go to the top. The problem here is this white is at the top. So we move the top and then move the bottom to the top. Now we have 1, 2, 3. We look for the last white. Here, 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 no. The bottom, no. So the last place it can be is here. Here, here, here it is. The last white. So we go like this. Move this. And we move that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have finished the four white squares. Now this blue must match, coincidir, with this here. So we go blue, blue, blue. And then we take the top to the bottom. There. Now, this pink must match to the pink. Good. This is perfect. So we take top to the bottom. This is also perfect. Top to the bottom. And the last red. This is bad. This is good. Take to the bottom. And now we have white cross. This is step 1. White cross with this like that. Very good. Next, step 2 is these 4 corners. These 4 corners. So we look at the bottom for white in the corner. Here no white, here white. So we want this cube. So we move the red, we move the bottom. Red to green, no. Red to pink, no. Red to blue, no. Red to red, good. So red matches red. So then we go down, across, up. And now this corner is perfect. So then we look at the bottom again. This no, this no, this no, this yes. So now we need pink to pink. So this here no, pink to pink is good. This is good. We do the same. Down the side, bottom and up. And this is perfect. So now again, no, no, no. Aha, this is good. So we look blue, no. Blue, yes. This blue matches the blue. This is perfect. So we go down the side, move the bottom and up. And this corner is good. 1 second. So, okay, now we have one more. And look, one more corner is here. So we move pink, no, pink, yes, this is good. Pink to pink. So we move down, sorry. Move down, in, and up. And this is perfect. Step 2. The corners and the white side. Sometimes, one second. Sometimes you have a different situation. Sometimes, for example, the white is not here, not here, it's not here, the white is here. If the white is here, you go down, across, yeah, and across again, and up. And now the white is here. Then you go pink, no, yes, and the same. Down, across, up. Also, it's possible that the white is sometimes no white, no white, no white, no white, no white. Sometimes the white is at the bottom. The bottom. If it's here, you go to there. Move it to this. Then you go down. Move the bottom. Up. And now the white is in the right place. Here, no. Here, no. Here, no. Here, yes. And the same. Down, cross, up. Step 2. Finished. Next time we will do step 3 and maybe step 4. Okay, happy practicing.